Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to chemistry class. In this class we will discuss about the preparation of the benzene and its physical and chemical property. Okay, so it will be the fourth part of the chapter hydrocarbon. Okay, so benzene. So what is the benzene? Benzene basically is known as the 6 carbon cyclic ring in which alternate double single bond will be present, and the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Okay. It is an aromatic compound because on sooty flame it will create carbon. Okay, so it is the identification of aromaticity. Now what is the preparation of benzene? So first is laboratory method. So in laboratory, benzene can be formed from sodium benzoate. Can be formed from sodium benzoate. So sodium benzoate when react with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide or quicklime, then benzene will form and sodium carbonate will be removed. Means this group will remove from this, and only C6H6 means benzene will form. Okay, and from second from phenols. So phenol is distilled with zinc dust, then benzene is obtained. Phenol means when OH group will be present on benzene ring. Then if it will react with OH means distillation, then it will form benzene and zinc oxide will remove. Okay, next from benzene sulfonic acid. So what is the benzene sulfonic acid? When at benzene ring there is SO3H group will present, then it is known as the benzene sulfonic acid. When it react with water molecule at this temperature, then benzene will form and hydrogen sulfate means H2SO4 will form. Okay, next from benzene diazonium chloride. So when benzene diazonium chloride is reduced by ethyl alcohol, then benzene is obtained. Means benzene diazonium chloride, benzene at when add benzene and 2 plus and Cl minus will present, then it is known benzene diazonium chloride. When it react with ethyl alcohol, then these group will remove and benzene will form. Next from acetylene. So benzene can also be obtained by the passing acetylene under pressure through a tube heated to 673 Kelvin. Okay. So what will be the reaction? You will take the 3 moles of acetylene and react with at this temperature, then C6H6 will form. Okay. So these were the preparations by which you can prepare the benzenes. Now come manufacturing, means on commercial scale. These were the laboratory method, but these are commercial scale methods by which the benzene can be prepared from coal tar. Coal tar. So the light oil fractions obtained by the fractional distillation of coal tar up to 443 Kelvin is mainly a mixture of benzene, toluene and xylene, and it also contains a basic compound such as pyridine and some acidic compounds such as phenol and cresol. So light oil is washed with concentrated H2SO4 to remove the basic compound, and then with dilute and solution to remove acidic compounds. It is then washed with the water and subjected to fractional distillation, and after fractional distillation we will obtain the benzene. Next from coal gas. So coal gas is obtained by high temperature cooking of coals in an important industrial source of benzene. Coal gas is passed through towards in which high boiling cresol oil is sprayed from the top, and benzene and toluene present in the coal tar get dissolved in the cresol oil, and after the fractional distillation this benzene can be obtained. Okay. Next, what is the physical property? So benzene is a colorless mobile liquid having the characteristic odor. It boils, means its boiling point is 353 Kelvin, and cooling solidify to white crystalline solid which melts at 278 Kelvin. It is insoluble in water but miscible with alcohol and ethers in all proportions. It is a good solvent for fat, resin, sulfur, iodine and large number of organic compounds. It burns with luminous sooty flame. Its vapor are toxic and produce unconsciousness when inhaled in large quantity. Okay. Now chemical properties. So first is addition reaction. So addition reaction means anything will go and add to this ring. So first addition of hydrogen. So in addition of hydrogen, all double bond will break and convert into cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means in single bond. Okay. Now addition of halogen. So in the presence of ultraviolet light, benzene react with chlorine to form benzene hexachloride, which is commonly known as BHC, benzene hexachloride. Okay. It is used an insecticide and sold under the name of gamexine or lindane. Okay. So benzene after the reaction of chlorine in presence of sunlight gives hexachlorobenzene, means all the double bonds will break and all carbon will carry the chlorine. Okay. BSC or lindane, market name. Next, addition of ozone. So when benzene react with ozone, then it will form an intermediate compound that is known as the benzene triazonide. Benzene triazonide means at all benzene ring there will be ozone will attach, and after the removal and after the hydrolysis it will form 3 moles of glyoxal and 3 moles of H2O2. Okay. So these were the addition reaction. Now come to the substitution reaction. Substitution means one group will replaced by another group. Okay. So firstly halogenation. So what is the halogenation? Means reaction with halogen. So as we know that at benzene there will hydrogen will present. So on reaction with chlorine in presence of FeCl3, from here HCl will remove and one Cl go to the benzene ring and form chlorobenzene. And in case of bromine, HBr will remove and bromobenzene will form. Next, for iodo, in presence of nitric acid, the iodobenzene will form. One hydrogen from here with Hi remove and iodobenzene will form. Now come to the nitration. So nitration means reaction with nitric acid. Nitric acid will break in OH minus and NO2 plus in this condition. So this NO2 will go to this ring after the removal of hydrogen. From HNO3 there will be OH removed, and from benzene there will hydrogen removed and form a water, and remaining Na2 group will attach to the ring and form a nitrobenzene. Okay. Next, sulfonation reaction with sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid will break as OH SO3H. So this OH remove one hydrogen from here and form a water molecule, and remaining SO3 group will go to benzene ring and form benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Now come to the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts reaction are of two types. One is alkylation and second one is acylation. So when benzene is treated with an alkyl halide, when benzene is treated with an alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then alkyl benzene is obtained. For example, when benzene reacts with CH3Cl, from here H, the HCl will remove and CH3 will go to the ring. Okay, and form toluene. Next, if you will take C2H5Cl, then also from here HCl will remove and C2H5 will go to the ring and form ethyl benzene. So it is the basic concept. Next, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Second one is Friedel-Crafts acylation, which is not given here. Okay. Now oxidation reaction. So oxidation means combustion. So when benzene react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Catalytic oxidation. So benzene react with oxygen in V2O5 to form malic acid, carbon dioxide and water. And this malic acid on hydrolysis Dehydration will take place, means water molecule will remove and malic anhydride will form. From here, then there is water molecule will remove and this compound will form, that is known as the malic anhydride. Uses of benzene. So benzene is used for solvent, for fat, resin, rubber, paints, etc. It is used in the manufacturing of styrene, gamexine, nitrobenzene, dichlorobenzene, phenol, nylon, detergent and insecticide, etc. It is used as a dry cleaning woolen cottons and mixed with petrol. It is used for motor fuel, used under the name of benzol. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice